A particle of mass 6 kilograms is accelerating at 8 meters per second squared. We want to know the magnitude of the resultant force acting on the particle. So here we have a particle. We know its mass is 6 kilograms. It's accelerating at 8 meters per second squared, and this must be produced by a force F in the same direction as the acceleration. Remember that there may be various forces acting on this particle, but the resultant force is F. We can use the formula F equals ma. So F will be equal to 6 times 8, which is 48 newtons.